Hello everyone, let's move ahead towards our next hairstyle. Here we've taken our hair from one side and then we have divided it into three parts at first and start making a braid. At some point we are going to take hair from the sides as you can see in the video, and then again we are going to make some braid with the three parts, and then at some point we are again going to take hair from the sides. As you can see, we will get this lifted effect with it. We are going to repeat the same step again and again with the hair. Just do the steps carefully what we are doing here, and then when you reach the bottom we are going to take all of the hair and start making a simple French braid by dividing it into two parts and then taking hair from the sides. After that we are going to keep on making it till the last, and then you can secure the hair with any rubber band or any clutches you want, and then you can repeat the same step with the other side also. After that, then you can use any stylish rubber band or clutches to make it look even more interesting. Next we are going to take a ponytail and then we are going to take some part of it, and with the help of these ribbons we are going to make a simple braid. We are going to take hair from both the sides one by one, and then you can see your braid will look like this, and we're gonna keep on making it till the last and taking the hair from all over the head, and then when it's ready we are going to use a rubber band for securing our braid. After that you can repeat it with the other side as well, as you can see in the video, and your simple easy hairstyle is almost ready. You can even apply some clutches or some beautiful pins on it to make it look more good and beautiful. At last we are going to give it a lifted effect by covering it with some rubber bands. Next we are going to take this ribbon and tie it on our high ponytail into this beautiful bow. After that we are left with its strings. We are going to divide our hair into two parts, and by using these strings we are going to make a braid by tying them from the front and from the back on our hair. As you can see, we get this pattern, and then we are going to secure it with a rubber band and it's ready. Thanks for watching.